This is the checking video of Abdullah dough kneader 5 kg for Daraz order. This is the shipping label. 24th January 2024. The machine is okay from all the sides. There are no damages. It has a metal blade inside, a measuring flask and a warranty booklet. There are no damages from the bottom also, as you can see. Now we will start the machine and show you the working. The machine has started. It will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. This is model AE221 of genuine Abdullah. This is the carton, which has a thermopore at the bottom, a thermopore at the top, and then we pack it in brown sheet, then further finally in this bubble wrap, and then we paste the fragile stickers on it. As you can see, the machine has automatically stopped and it is okay and now being packed for Daraz.